Welcome to AngelHacks. We are so excited to have all of you here.
Today, right now, we have AngelHacks, which is a 12-hour hackathon. And we've got like around 120 attendees here, all working on projects of their own and going to workshops and learning new skills.
The thing is, coding changes lives. When you know how to code, and you suddenly turn from being a consumer into being a creator. Claire and Damian and Kai and the rest of the AngelHacks team, they came up with the idea for AngelHacks. This is a student-led event.
So I'm Claire. I am one of the organizers for the event. I'm 14, I'm in 9th grade, and we started AngelHacks a few months ago.
My team is people from Bay Area, from Cincinnati, from the East Coast, and we have all come together to run this amazing event. All the students are having fun, so that's great.